eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede will have her leave of absence extended by a month. She was meant to resume her duties today.
Gumede was placed on special leave after being charged with fraud and corruption relating to a 200 million rand refuse removal tender. ANC provincial leaders said a short while ago that she will have her leave extended by another month. They continue to evade questions about Gumede's future.
And so we cross to my colleague Ayanda Mhlongo, who's been monitoring this particular story. Ayanda, what's the latest? You did speak to an ANC official there who was giving us a brief about what's happening.
Very good day to you, Nompu, and good day to our viewers at home. Yes, we just come out of a update, rather briefing from the Secretary of the ANC in the province of KwaZulu-natal, Mdumiseni Ntuli, on what decision they have arrived at with regards to Mayor Zandile Gumede, and Mdumiseni Ntuli saying that they are going to extend her leave for at least another month. In fact, they were saying that in the letter when they asked her, it said that it wasn't going to be 30 days exactly, that they said that they'd asked her to take a leave of absence for at least 30 days. He's saying that the party has not concluded a process that it was looking at a number of issues before they're going to be able to arrive at a decision on whether or not they will remove her from the position of Mayor of eThekwini. But for now, Zandile Gumede is going to stay at home while the ANC continues to deal with its issues. They're saying that the PWC, or the Provincial Working Committee, is going to meet at the end of the month. They will then get a report from those who are looking into the matter, and then they will around about the first week of August, they expect a decision by the party on her future.
Ayanda, of course, this is a criminal matter because the charges are around fraud and corruption. So if they make findings that it's okay, she can go back to office, those criminal charges still stand, don't they?
Certainly, the criminal charges do stand, and they're saying that while they're looking or investigating her matter internally, Nompu, they are obviously taking the fact that they need to respect the rule of law and allow the investigation and the court case to continue. Those who support Mayor Zandile Gumede are saying that it's clear that the ANC really wants to see what is going to happen in relation to the case, whether or not more charges will be added, whether or not the case will be dropped. But it appears for them, they believe that the ANC is at the moment in a difficult position, unable to make a decision on her future because they are waiting for the court case. And if you look at the dates now, Nompu, that they're giving us, they've said that possibly around the first week of August, and that is when she is set to go back to court for her second court appearance. So, as you said, Nompu, yes, they will obviously want to respect the rule of law, as they have said, and come around August, we expect that the party has said that they will then make a final decision.
And very briefly, Ayanda, when you speak to people in the general community there in KZN, what's the feeling about this particular situation?
Well, the case has really been, or the matter really has sparked a lot of interest. A lot of people want to know. These are serious charges that people say that the mayor is faced with, and so they want to see the criminal case continue, but also eagerly have been monitoring what the ANC is saying. ANC leaders or members here in KZN are divided, particularly here in eThekwini rather, are divided. You've got those that support her, that have been accusing the party of being indecisive, being inconsistent in its decisions, while others are saying that it's time for the party now to take action against those people that have been found wanting.
All right, Ayanda, thank you very much for that report. My colleague there, Ayanda Mhlongo, just giving us a report on Zandile Gumede there. Nzinga?